We are pleased to introduce mil-kin, developed by our company. Mil-kin is extremely compact and requires no tedious focusing. Using your smartphone's camera function, it allows you to observe oral bacteria right at the chairside without moving the patient. Since it uses a smartphone, you can easily zoom in on the screen and record videos or take photos. Furthermore, this microscope has been established as a portable microbe imaging scope under the Japanese Industrial Standards, JIS, Japan's national standards. When I ask ordinary people or patients what they think this white mass is, most respond that it's food debris or leftover plaque. However, this is precisely the microbial factor, the so-called mass of microorganisms known as plaque, dental plaque, or biofilm. What happens when we actually observe the white mass using the mil-kin tool? You can see the entire screen is white, indicating an excessive amount of plaque. The mil-kin C-type uses a single cover glass, allowing you to move the observation area. Now, let's proceed with the observation. Clumps of plaque can be observed in the upper left and slightly toward the center. Just below them, elongated bacteria are visible. Additionally, while non-motile, elongated rods and slightly tapered, spindle-shaped forms can also be observed. Furthermore, a large number of oral bacteria are actively swimming throughout the entire field of view. Among those moving, countless bacteria can be observed spiraling or moving rapidly. Large spherical objects can also be seen, along with white blood cells. Seeing the true nature of this plaque serves as a motivator and catalyst for behavioral change for both the general public and patients.